how to change the language on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your settings and then scroll down up until you see your general and click on general. Then scroll all the way down up until you see language and region. Click on that section, and in the very first section here you will see the preferred languages. Now if you wish to change the language on your iPhone, all you have to do is to click on add language. Now after clicking on that, you will see the list of languages on iPhone here. So all you have to do is to look through that and choose the language that you want to have on your iPhone. And for example, this one, I want to have Spanish. And if you click on that, it will ask you to verify if what language you want to use. So tap on use Spanish. And basically that is it. And that is how you change the language on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.